Have you ever been somewhere that's supposed to be super quiet, but suddenly you hear a strange noise? Well, a group of kids found themselves in that exact spot one evening. They tiptoed into the school library, surrounded by tall shelves packed with books. It was so quiet you could hear a pin drop. Then, all of a sudden, thump, bump. The kids froze, their eyes wide with fear. What was that? A shadow moved in the corner. They huddled together, hearts pounding. But then, a book cart slowly rolled out from behind a shelf. It wasn't a monster at all. The books on the cart wobbled and made silly little noises as it moved. The kids couldn't help but giggle, whispering, "Shh, funny." It just goes to show sometimes the things that scare us aren't so scary once we see what they really are. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.